I am back. Peace. Hello. That was really stupid. Woohoo. What up? Just so you know, I have a PS3. Whoa! And if someone wants to play me online, by the way, I suck, but free wins for you. My PSN is. I will put it in the sidebar right over there. Right over there. But I will say it out loud now too. It's X underline dryer. I know it's really random, but I like random stuff. Yeah. 'Cause I'm a random dude with no life. Woohoo! You might not see this because it's all white over here, but I almost have a monobrow, and I almost got mustache, but not almost, but a little bit. Check out my white teeth. It's shiny. Shiny. Check out my nose holes. I look like a rabbit. Give me my carrots. I want my fucking carrots. Okay, enough with that. I just wanted you to know. Look, my head is like moving around the screen. Whoa. You want some Spanish, motherfuckers? Sorry, no habla English. Muy bueno. Rio Grande. Muy bueno. No habla Rio de Janeiro. Oh. Godafes.